Hi there, Sean Bodley here with Clear Technologies, and I'm going to perform a quick demonstration on how to stop cluster services on a PowerHA cluster using the SystemMirror user interface. I'm going to show you the options of how to do it at a cluster level and at a node level. And as is the case with all of these demos, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to leave it in the comment box below, or you're always welcome to send me an email at sbodley@cleartechnologies.net. Okay, let me switch over and perform the demo. Here in my SystemMirror user interface server screen, you can see that my Jessica cluster is already up and running. I can tell it to stop the cluster on any particular node by clicking the dots next to it. So I can say stop cluster services on Jordan. I can tell it to stop cluster services on Jessica. And I'm just going to tell it to stop the entire cluster. So you can see here the options. When it says Stop AIX Cluster Services, this is the CAA cluster. Do not touch this. I really wish this option didn't even show here because it historically has been a special command line option to even do that. So generally speaking, you should not really need to touch this option. What do you want to do with the resource group? Do you want to stop it or unmanage? When it says stop it, that will actually bring it offline. So it'll bring the resource group down. In this case, since I'm going to stop the entire cluster, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell it to stop the resource group. So you can see here, I'm getting my message that says cluster services are stopping. And my demo cluster only has a single volume group, single file system, single IP address. So I don't have a real application, so it doesn't take very long for it to come down. So you can see it's already registered that the stop has succeeded, and it'll take a second for the screen to actually refresh to show the current state again. And there we go. Now it registers that the entire cluster is down. That concludes that demo, and thanks for watching.